Walk from Boat Paddlefish Diner to T-Rex Cafe at Disney Spring. Boat Paddlefish Diner at Disney Springs. Dinosaur sign for next stop of T-Rex Cafe. Walking toward T-Rex Cafe. Here is T-Rex Cafe. T-Rex Cafe is a prehistoric, family adventure center. Named T-Rex is after a dinosaur called Tyrannosaurus rex. You can see giant skeleton, model of T-Rex dinosaur. T-Rex Cafe is a unique dining experience in Disney Springs, with diving back to prehistoric ages with themed rooms that feature meteor showers, color-changing caverns, woolly mammoths, and even a life-size T-Rex.